Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Kayla's Publishing. This is Kayla bringing to you guys another video. Today we are going to talk about tracing workbooks, how to make them in Canva, easy, quick, and very fun for kids. Okay, so before we get into it, I first want to tell you guys thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and all the love and support, guys. I really do appreciate it. As you guys can see, I am up to 175 subscribers, and I just want to thank you all so much for helping me reach there. I wouldn't be able to reach there on my own. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Here is where I promote hear me promote my bad brain fat. Here is where I post a lot of KDP tutorial videos, KDP income reports, just anything that I think can be helpful to you guys for KDP. I also post my income monthly. So if you guys follow my other videos, I have from my first month on KDP straight down to my third. I'm currently going into the second quarter of KDP. This is my third month. I'm super excited to see the growth going forward. So if you guys want to see that growth with me and grow or get inspiration from my videos, please consider subscribing, liking my videos, commenting. I also have links to my Facebook group where you guys can post questions. If you have any questions on KDP that you need help with, you can post it there. You can inbox me and we can chat and get to know each other a bit. Also, if you guys have any advice for me, I am open to it. I am new to this whole KDP thing. I absolutely don't know everything about KDP. I'm just kind of learning as I go. So if there's any tips you guys want to tell me, you guys can just leave it in the comment. I have no problems with that. Alright, so let's get straight into the video today. We are going to make kids ABC tracing book. This at average would be for children that are now learning to write, ages let's say 3 to 5. I believe that's the age group. So we are starting off with a blank canvas and the size is 6 by 9. Alright, this is a basic or average notebook size page, and this is the size I actually like to do my tracing books. Now this video guys may be a bit long, I'm telling you guys now, but I really do hope you stay through because I think it can be very useful to you all. Alright, so tracing books are very needed on Amazon. There are a lot, but children always need to learn. So activity books for children, workbooks, these things sell really nice on Amazon. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys how to make a tracing book interior in this video, but I would also teach you guys how to make the picture books and all those types of stuff. Those take a bit more time, but it's totally worth it. Alright, so first off, let me just show you guys. We press line, we press L to get the first line, and we just extend it to our margin. So I have, for those of you who don't know how to use Canva, I have show margin selected so that you can see where is the safest place to leave your lines, because on KDP when they do cut off bleed, if you extend this straight to the end and you make your page bleed and you put your wordings to the end here, it may get cut off. Alright, so the best thing to do is to try and stay in the margin. You don't have to stay directly in it. You can go a little bit off because the margin is just like an average, or you can stay directly in it if you want to be safe. You can also put on page bleed. That can also be a guideline to help. Alright, so next I'm going to press the line style and I'm going to change this to either 1 or 2. Let's see how 1 looks. Okay, so I like 1, and I'm leaving the whole top of my page without any lines, and you guys would see why later on. Okay, so I'm starting here. I'm going to duplicate this line and carry it just about here, 3 strokes down, right? And then I'm going to duplicate that line, right? And that looks even. So the line in the middle, I'm going to click it, go back to line style, and I'm going to make it dash. You can either make it big dash or small dash. If you want to see the effect, you can just zoom in to see it better. Let's see the big dashes. Let's see the small dashes, the big dashes. Okay, so I like the big dashes more, okay? So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna highlight this, and you can turn this to a dark gray, because normally lines don't really be like black. You can also carry up the space if you find it's too much space. Yeah, so that looks about good. But if you're doing this book for like children, little children, you want to make the lines bigger. It's easier for them to see and draw rather than trying to draw through a tiny space, in my opinion. Okay, so I find this is good. What I'm going to do next is group it, and then I'm going to duplicate it. Alright, and then I'm going to group these two, and I'm going to duplicate these two, just to make work a bit easier. Alright, duplicate the 4 right here, and I can just remove the last row. Let me just go closer. Ungroup it. Just remove those. Alright. So this is your lines here. You can space it out more if you like. You can bring down this one a little more, and then bring down this one, just to kind of level it out on the page. All of these things are completely up to you. Remember, when you're doing your KDP interiors, you have to do it your own style. That's actually what makes you get sales, when you do it your style. Alright, people tend to like that, especially when it's different from what other people normally do. So next, we are going to go to elements, and now I have the pro version, so some of these things you guys may not have. Alright, so I'll just type in tracing and see what comes up. So you see it has some for free, so this is the free one here. You can't use the free one. You just put it up here, A, the first letter of the alphabet, or 1 if you want to do numbers tracing, but we're doing the alphabet today. So you can do the A, and you can just scroll down and see what is available, if you can get the capital A and the common A. If not, there's another way you can do this. You can go in text, and you can go add large font, capital A, and then you go to tracing. Alright, I think this one is it. Alright, let's see if this is it. No, this one is a bit slant. It's kind of hard to see it, guys. So, okay, this one is it. So you just kind of have to squint your eyes a bit, because it's tracing. We can also try others, because it have some more. Oh, I like this one. So this one is roadway, railway, dot. Yeah. So you put that one there, and then you can always duplicate it and common A. So you can have capital A, common A, right? And then the next thing you can do is duplicate this one now. And because remember, with this, with children, you want to give them a guide. Alright, so for the first line here, we are going to do A, you can also press Ctrl D to duplicate. Makes it a lot easier. Alright, great. So I would do like this, and I would have them tracing it, and then I would leave a blank one or a blank 2 for them to practice that, and then I will do like a common A. Hold on, let me just get this straight A. Right, so right here I will do the common A. Right, and this is all I will do. Duplicate, align, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. right? And then I leave the other two for them to practice, and then for the last line I interchange. So I let them do capital, common. All of this is just practice for children. And I have a son, so I know what I would like him to have when coming to practicing to write. It's okay if you don't have a child, you can still make these kind of books, but it just makes it a bit easier for us to kind of know what we want or what we would want for our kids, if you guys understand what I mean. Also, if you guys have kids, please leave it in the comments. I love to talk to other moms. It makes me feel so comfortable knowing that there are other moms out there trying to start their own business or work from home. So if you guys are moms, please leave it in the comment. Let's get a chat going. One of these days I will do a live stream for you guys, also with a face reveal, so you guys can see what I look like. I mean, it's not really important, but I want to be as transparent with you guys as possible. And I think if I'm listening to someone advice, I would want to be able to know what they look like. So alright, so this one is one way I would do it. So we have the A's here. I might just center it a bit, and they can trace the big A's and the little A's and then start practicing on the lines. Now there is another way that I would do this, which is the more common way that I would actually do this. I have so many ways to do this, but I just have particular ways that I like to work. So let me just clear this real quick and I'll show you guys what I mean. Now to clear any bug, you have to lock the line so that the lines don't get deleted also. Alright. Let me just unlock those lines. Alright, great. I think that was it. No, this one. Alright, so this is the next way I would do it, guys. I would go to my tracing and I will scroll down. I think I also saved it on Start, but I want you guys to see exactly how I get it or how I do it. Alright. Okay, look at here. So I will come here and I'll press those three dots and I will go to show more like this, and I will get these nice tracing letters in capital letters and common letters. So first off, let's put the common one right over here. Let's smallen it a bit. Let me see if I can find a capital A. Okay, look at here. Alright, let's do the capital A. And then the common A, we can smallen it a bit because I'm going to add a graphic to this. Alright, so we have A, and then I would put like APPLE, apple, and I'll find one that I like. Also one that would actually entice children, because I mean, these are kids, right? They like a cute, fun stuff, and you have to make learning as fun as possible for them. Alright, so we have A here. So they'll get to trace this, and they'll also get to see the apple. We can straighten it up if we like, because I don't really like it slanted like that. Biggen it a little bit. Enlarge it, I should say. Right. Then we have A, apple. Right, so then you can do like B, banana, or B, ball. Just to make things a bit fun, I like to change the colors of this just to kind of bolden it a bit. Alright, so it's a bit more bold. Guys, I don't know how long now I'm making this video. I'm watching the clock and it looks like 30 minutes has passed already. So I'm looking to round up or close up. So next I would just like do the same that I did before. I would duplicate this A, and I will smallen it to fit inside of the line. Okay, so this A is too close to my line, so I have to kind of hover it a bit. Right, nice. You just smaller it, you zoom in on the screen so that you can see what you're doing. Right, and now for these types of books, I would like do this and then leave these blank. But you can also do what we did before and just duplicate. Right. And then the next one is the A. Leave space. Guys, I really hope that this tutorial is useful for you guys. I make a lot of variety of books, and when I was learning to make these things, it was nice to be able to find at least one or two YouTubers that actually did it. So that's why I decided to make a video for you guys. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, but that's basically what I do when coming to making children's book, and I do this A through all the way through Z. And then afterwards I may also add like a cut and paste, like in one of my books I would do like an apple tree, and I will do some bananas, and I will give them the option to actually cut the bananas out and stick it on the apple tree, on the banana tree. So one of these days, if you guys are interested in that, I can make a video on how to do that for you guys. But now I'm just finishing up the page by making sure everything is aligned with the top. It's not necessary, but it's something I like to do. Oh my bad. Click it. 3 dots, duplicate. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you guys want me to make a cover page for you guys, please let me know in the comments, and I will make a video on how to do the cover pages for tracing books, if that is something that you all are interested in. But that's it. I mean, I think this came out pretty cool, and I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Hold on, let me just take off the margins real quick. So this is how the entire page would look. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed spending time with me today. I will try to post a little sooner this week, but guys, honestly, it's been a bit busy these days. I'm really struggling to kind of get my KDP books together, at least to make 10 to 15 books for this month. And the reason why I'm making so much is because I am a stay-at-home mom with lots of help. So I mean, sitting down making the books is not a problem for me. It's just that I have a bit of writer's block these days, because I made tracing books, I made coloring books, I made no content books, low content books, I made journals, I made prompt journals, I made sketch pads. So it's like, I just don't know. I'm a person who likes to be interested in stuff, okay? So I will do something, but I get bored of it real quick. So I would make this tracing book, and then I'll upload on KDP. I'll probably make another 2, and then I would not feel to make any more tracing books. So I'm still trying to find that niche that I want to stick in. I haven't found it yet, but I hope I do soon. But in my other videos, I would mostly be doing tutorial videos or how-to videos. So in the next one, I will show you guys how to make a recipe book, interior for KDP. If you guys interested in seeing me do cover designs also, you guys can leave that comment in the link in the description, and I will make it for you guys. Guys, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. It makes my day every time I get a new subscriber. I am so happy and full of joy. So guys, please join the KP family. Leave your comments, talk to me guys on Facebook, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.